Well, hello there. Ohayou gozaimasu. Or what do we say? Annyeong. So today's on a Wednesday. Wow, those days are pushing. Let's get a breakdown of these charts. So yesterday we took out the sell side of the liquidity of the previous day and market rallied up, closing at a doji. Well, that is so very much interesting. For a fact that is so interesting that it makes sense. I mean, yeah. So today we are working with this doji, the sell side and the buy side liquidity placed accordingly on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, the market is as it established a 3-count rule from this supply over here, and we have seen that sellers are not willing to have are willing to sell from this place, since on NFP we never closed above this order block. Thus the market has been pushing off, so it means there are a lot of supply at these levels, hence a lot of sellers. That's why the market is constantly pushing down. This fair value gap has been doing all the heavy lifting, and it has been on Monday. It held the price up for a minute. Yesterday we held price also here, but will today be able to continue holding price, or are we going to finally close below this line over here, this line which indicates the major fair value gap area? That is yet to be seen, since we may come up to these levels. Definitely we are going to sell if you have to come to these levels, and maybe here we get a little bit of a retest. If you are lucky enough, do something like this, since what happens is this line tends to act as a support when we are trading above, and we're trading below, it will act like a resistance. Is Euro-dollar pushing down? Are we pushing down? Or if this will not be the case, then Euro-dollar is looking to grab liquidity from these levels and break. If we break, we have a retest of this, and come and test this supply again, see whether we're going to break it. So what do we have? We have the nemesis. This supply is our nemesis, and we have this demand. It is a tug of war. Who is going to win? Yes, that's what the 4 hour is telling me. So switching to the lower time frame, we see on the 1 hour. 1 hour is this supply was just too strong from Monday. Now let me switch this to UTC plus 3. I'm currently working in the New York time, which is not making any sense. Interesting. So this was on Monday. So on Monday in the morning, we never really got a chance to test this supply again. After testing it twice on Friday, And yeah, we tested also this one over here. These supplies, sellers were just like wolves at these levels here and here. Yeah. Okay, before I continue, let me look at the calendar. I've been forgetting what to look at this calendar because there's not major news that is happening on the charts. So at 10 a.m. we are expecting the euro news. It's a yellow folder, so there's not much going on. The GPB, yeah, this is going to create a ripple effect to the euro, but not that much. So be wary about that at 10 a.m. At 12 p.m. we are expecting Italian quarterly employment rate. Oh, there's a yellow folder, so we are not expecting to move the charts that much. So today we are not having major red folders that are going to move markets. Unlike yesterday, we are having the core CPI news that was coming in hot. So let's switch to time frames. Oh, so if you're new here, what I do here is I tend to look at the charts and I analyze the charts and say the market is likely to do this, and most of the time, if not all the time, the market does that. So like yesterday, yeah, I was expecting a sell-off from this position over here because we are having a lot of orange sell from the 1 hour. From the 1 hour sell and the 30-minute sell, which I'm going to show you when I get to the chart. So let's see what the market is telling us on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we are seeing that we are having that bullish momentum still, and this supply is getting worked on. And yeah, so apparently what is happening is this supply is does not want to, is getting battered out since the sellers are trying to push it down, but the buyers are coming in hard from this bullish momentum, thus which was grabbed from this fair value gap over here, which had a great support, the green line over there. So switching to 30 minutes, on the 1 hour we don't have any 3 count rule for sell. So I want this one to be visible to the lower time frame, so it can tell me whatever is going on. You can see it on the lower time frame where it is printing out. So yeah, it is there on the 1 hour. So more likelihood of it coming to that place. So this is what I was saying. Yesterday there was this sell entry. Yeah, I was like, when the market will hit this level over here, yeah, we're going to have a sell-off. I traded, I got around what was it, 5 pips. But I quickly closed my position. I don't know what's wrong with me. I quickly closed my position. I had my analysis to the T, but I quickly closed my position. I'm having this trouble of holding my position to run wrong. Yet it is my analysis. Wow. This point is known as a point of break-even. Going off of this point is take a toll on me. Yeah, I'm trying, I'm seeking help. Hope it will get the help that I need. So today we are having this level over here. There was a 3 count rule that was established at this level from this order block over here, and yeah, the market, there's an invalid buy, so invalid buy, and yeah, market tried to continue pushing up, but unfortunately it was unable to. So hence we had a valid orange entry which became invalid. Why? It was invalid because we had this order block. We didn't know whether this order block is going to hold the price, but unfortunately the order block broke. So this is what tends to happen, a retest of this level over here. So as you can see, these are retest. Why? Because of the OB break, this bullish OB break. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting for the price to come to this level, and I have my but is that enough? No, that is not enough, and according to what I'm seeing, it's not enough. The probability of this one to hold the price down is not. Why? We are having this order block over here which looks not supporting to holding the price up. You see, we tried to break this, but the market held up. So the likelihood of this price holding the price up is not likely, and as we can see, it is not more than 10 pips. If we have the break of these, it will be sure enough a good 10 pips run. But as this level is a probable. Yes, as I was saying, this level probability of pushing down is a no. So let's switch to the 15 minutes and see what the 15 minutes are doing. In the 15 minutes, you're getting the same thing, the order blocks, the demand zones. The demand zones are holding price beautifully. They're holding price to the T, and we are trading in a supply mode. As you can see, we are trading off the supply. This is the supply that was created on yesterday. We are trading on this supply. So the 30 minutes, the 1 hour, we have established that they don't have anything to tell us. And at the 4 hour also, it has told us that we have a 3 count roll over here. But are we going to wait for the market to come to this position in order for us to take our sales? No. And most likely what the market is doing, wait for grab liquidity above. That is what the market is doing for our sell. Yeah, that was established yesterday. So what do we need to wait for? We need for the market to grab liquidity above, and that is what the market has been doing. And the 1 hour, 30 minutes and 15 minutes has told us that we don't have a position. So what are we going to do? We're going to switch the 5 minutes. With 5 minutes, we're going to get the clear picture of what the market wants to do. So on the 5 minutes, we can clearly see the 30-minute sell retest that was established there, and we have the 4 hour here. Let me have this in the center. Yes. And we have the 4 hour sell. So here we are going to wait for the market to do its thing, and yeah. Yesterday, let me explain yesterday's trade. Yesterday there was a 3 count roll that established this level over here, but it was invalid. And yesterday in short there was not a position. So if I could have taken this buy, look, yeah, it could have given me 6 pips, 7 pips or so. But yesterday what happened is, yes, I took this buy. If I could show the screen, I took this buy, but I never let the trade run. Since there was a lot of testing over this position, this market only ran for 3 pips and I closed my position. So if I could have let my position run, I would have secured around 7 pips. Eventually the market came to this position, which was yeah, let me now put this position so it can be visible to the lower time frame. So yesterday, if you are here yesterday, if you look at yesterday's analysis, what I was explaining is that I need the market to come to this position so that I can sell. So I'm trading a funded account, and the funded account is just the worst. The stop loss was around 5 pips. Yeah, stop loss was 5 pips. It was the worst, I'm telling you. It was the worst and the worst thing ever to happen to me. So that was a 35 pip move. You see? So what happened yesterday is that when I wanted to take this sell, you could not log into the platform. This platform. You could not log into the platform. No matter how you tried to log into the platform, you could not get up anyway. Okay, that's all for today. So remember, don't break your own rules. For goodness sake, it is your own rules. For what I'm expecting is, I'm expecting the market to come to this position. Since we have a break of this or B over here, which was holding the price down, if the market come and test this position, I'm looking to take the buys, continue the push to the upside. Since you're having a clean traffic to the upside, we have around 14 pips. So we are having supply of supplies. We have a lot of supply zones at around this level, but on the 5 minutes you have a clear traffic. Another thing is, what I can wait for is, market take out this is the textbook, take out the sell side liquidity of the Asian session, create some supply zone, and yeah, we push down as we mitigate, as we coincide with the 4-hour sell. Yeah, that is another thing. Also another thing is, I'm looking for a text. This is a textbook. This is another textbook buy, taking out of the sell side liquidity of this level, and yeah, we do something like that to continue the push of the market up. And those are textbook. But as for me, since we are having a lot of supply at these levels, I'm willing to sell at this area over here. So during the pre-London, the market may continue pushing high and high and high. Wait for it to come to this level and continue pushing down. But as the market is pushing high and high, is it not best for me to go long and secure those pips? That would be best for me. My stop loss at that level, that would be best. But all in all, I'll be waiting for my confluences to come and my 6 steps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All based on the 3 count. I never intended for this video to be this long, but bear with me. I'll try to make them short. Thank you. Beautiful day. Bless.